Hello everybody, I'm Marili Giovanni from Technical Support here at Pix4D, and today we will talk about how to create a video animation. So here you can see I have already processed my project, so we don't spend a lot of time for that. And as you can see, everything is displayed in the Ray Cloud view. So I have my cameras, I have also added some objects here. So before creating the video, I would like to make it look a bit nicer. So I'm gonna remove all these things. I'm gonna remove the rays. I will remove the polyline if I don't want to show it. I can also remove my GCPs and manual type points, for example, if I don't want them. And what you can do, you can also have the mesh. Let me just load it so that you can make your model look even better before recording the video. Just wait for a moment for the mesh to load, and we can see step by step how to record it. Okay, great. So I see that my model looks better now, so that I can record a nice video. You can have a look, you can observe, and we can prepare the video animation. So what you have to click, you click here to create a new video animation, and there is this window that will navigate you how to do it. So you have two options to select. You can do either, you can record the views, so you can do the series of points of views that you would like to set, or you can use the computer camera position and orientation that you can see here. I'm gonna do the user ones, since we will do it together step by step. So what I do, I select this option and I click next. So here, as you can see, there are the instructions at this window. I will just put it a bit on the side. So how do? We set the desired position that we would like to start. And then I will click record every time I want to record this view. So whatever I see here in the screen, it will be recorded here. So let's say I'm gonna record this one. It's better if you move more smooth, so you go slower, especially in the turns, so that your model looks better. You can also zoom a bit in if you like. Be careful when you turn, not to turn too much, so that the video looks better. And you can record as many as you wish. We'll just do a small one here, just to be easier for you. So remember, you can also zoom out, zoom in, as you feel more comfortable with it. Okay. And then when you're done, you click next to continue. So here we can see the options we would like to select for the video. So we can choose the duration in seconds. You can change this number, you can do it 15, you can even do it in 60, you can select as you like. You can select the speed in meters per second that you would like to do. You can make it even slower, you can do it 10 meters per second. You can also select, if you want to have a smooth video animation, the interpolation. This is by default selected. I would suggest to keep it like this. And you can select the name. So we can say video 1, for example, and to finish. So as you will see here, first of all, on the right sidebar, you will see all the properties, everything that is selected, and here you can also see the positions each time the video is recorded. So you can see how you record your video. So what you can do, again, you can change here the options. You can change the duration, the maximum speed, and you can apply the changes. And you can also play back. You can select here, you can see your video, so you can see how now you have recorded it. So you see it goes slower. You can even make it faster if you want. Okay. You can select the file name if you would like, where you would like to save it. So you can select here, and which format, the frame rate and the resolution, and the quality. And then you can render to finish your video. You can select OK, that the visual quality can be improved. This is just a message. And now you can select where to save your video. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you at the next video.